drop top to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible with a numbers matching 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power convertible top. Does have a new black vinyl top that has been installed. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Has had a repaint to red. Paint has a nice shine to it. You may find a little spot here or there where there's been a touch-up or a small imperfection, but overall, paint shows well. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or hey, just have a little bit of fun with that top down on a beautiful afternoon day. Check out all the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on American Racing, polished wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. This car does have all 4 cocktail shakers still intact, each corner of the car. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Of course, the cocktail shaker is used for stiffening the convertibles in this body style. And you can see passenger side really free of any major nicks, dings, dents, scratches. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, sifter on the floor. And I did want to leave the glove box open to show you there is an aftermarket stereo in there, more modern stereo than just the AM that is in the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, take a little closer look at that interior. I'll also show you the top functioning, going up and down. Again, it is a power top, and it looks like it's practically new. So new black vinyl top on it, dual exhaust. Take a look at the chrome bumper in the rear of the car, good shape. A few things that will go along with this car. Previous owner did buy a center console and considered installing it. It has never been installed. There's also a space saver spare that they'd put in the trunk just in case. And there's some miscellaneous receipts as far as paperwork and what have you. There's also the Protecto plate and like the little warranty book, and that will go along with it. Some notes from the technician that looked at this car in our service department. Does have new sway bar links. Front right ball joint is new. New front wheel cylinders and brake hoses. Those tires, Cooper Cobras, those are new tires. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. And dual exhaust from the front to rear. So it drove out very nice. And Jason is going to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road after we get done with this walk around video and I show you the convertible top. If you like Pontiac Firebirds, or maybe just like muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. See, an aftermarket speaker 6x9 has been added in the rear seating area. Seatbelt still intact, front and rear. Let's take a look at the door panels. Those look good. As far as the seats, I haven't really noticed any rips, tears, holes. We'll move that seatbelt out of the way. So seats looking like they're in very nice shape. I have had the wipers working, horn works, and the aftermarket stereo does work. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, numbers matching, 350 V8 power. Neutral. Of course, once again, 4-speed manual.
I twisted the gate.
Sounds like the cars, if I'm not mistaken. Otherwise, dash looks very stock in this car. Top of the dash looks good. Nothing there, no surprises. Nice throttle response with that 4-barrel on it. Or down on the low idle, let's listen to this. Little rumble coming out of that 350. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to get this hood open. It's going to take two hands because, of course, that hood release is down below on the driver's side, kind of underneath that grill. So let me get this hood open. We're going to check out this engine bay, and then we'll check out the convertible top, and Jason will take it for a drive. All right, there's a good look at the underside of the hood. Paint looks good underneath there. There it is. That number's matching 350. A little low beat idle to it. Again, power steering. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. There is a battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. An idea how it looks. Edelbrock intake manifold, and in the still pictures you'll be able to see the stamp on the block for the numbers matching. You'll also see the cowl tag or data tag, and then the VIN plate as well that's up underneath the windshield. That'll all be in the still pics. Let me go ahead and get the tripod set up, and I'll show you how this convertible top functions, and we'll check out its condition. And the convertible top up. So as you can see, functions as it should. Nice fit above the windshield. It is obviously a newer black vinyl top. Looks practically brand new. Side glass rolled up over here on the driver's side. Nice fit there. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all. You just have a few of the wrinkles from it being folded up. Down in the storage area. Rear window nice and clear. And how about around here on the passenger side? Again, just a few wrinkles from being folded up. No rips, tears, holes. Side glass fitting very well over here also. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. All right, I will show you the function of the top going back down into the storage compartment too. Stick around a little bit longer, and Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Numbers matching, 1968 Pontiac Firebird, convertible with that 350 V8 underneath the hood. You'll be able to see the stamped numbers on the block and the still pictures, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Yes, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1968 Firebird. This car is a convertible. We have the top up today. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles well, so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a 4-speed manual right here on the floor. Turn signal indicator's working. Wipers work on this car. Blower motor also works. Throwing a little bit of heat today. Revving up nicely. Very fun, easy to drive car. Shifts well. Shifts nice and firm as it should. Speedometer shows 50 miles an hour. It seems about right. Our fuel gauge is showing a little over half of a tank. In the glove box we have a radio from Clarion, and that functions for FM. I have not tested CD. Nice hideaway modern stereo. Vinyl bucket seats, comfortable in this car. Your typical gaps around the window front on the doors where they meet the convertible top, but I'm not even catching that much wind noise. It's quite nice. Brakes are smooth. Let's go down to second for the traffic circle. Quarters well. It doesn't lean very much. I think we've got some good sway bars under this car. There's that acceleration. Strong runner for a 350. At least that's what it says on the hood. 1968 Pontiac Firebird. Find all the pictures and details at uniqueclassiccars.com.